let's learn the difference between almost or nearly, right? Almost में तकरीबन है, nearly में तकरीबन है. Why these are confusing? Both words means not completely, but very close. इनका मतलब ये है कि complete नहीं है, कोई काम कोई action complete नहीं है, but very close, बहुत करीब है. Almost is more common in everyday English, while nearly is common especially with the numbers, amounts and completion, right? इसको हम numbers के साथ, amounts और completion के साथ use करते हैं. Almost means not quite or not completely. Example sentences are I almost forgot. Number 2 is it is almost midnight. Number 3 is almost all students came. While nearly किसके लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Often used with the numbers or the amounts. Example sentence, the work is nearly finished. It is nearly 10 o'clock. There were nearly 50 people. Right? So nearly और almost में क्या फ़र्क है? Nearly commonly English में हम everyday English में use करते हैं और almost को everyday English में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और nearly जो है वो common और numbers और amounts के साथ use किया जाता है.